Hi friends, this is Vahi Vijay Simha once again in the YouTube. Today I am going to explain one of the emerging technology and monitoring tool in the software field, Splunk monitoring tool. So before going to explain this concept, I want to make you understand and I want to ask you some few questions. What do you know? What do you mean monitoring? Root cause analysis, data analysis, and health check, application check, performance check. So, for all above questions, here are the answers. Now I am directly jumping into the Splunk monitoring tool. Splunk monitoring tool is a IT and software platform. It is applied and used for analyzing, searching, and extracting data from the machine learning language. So Splunk is used to monitor the overall application process that is existed in the software field. So it will give a well-tuned performance and well-tuned test valued results for complex business applications in the software industry, travel software industry, the domains used in the software industry like travel domain, insurance domain, educational domain, banking domain. So now I am coming to Splunk benefits. With the help of Splunk monitoring tool, so you are going to extract the large amounts of data, analyze the errors, debug the errors, and reduce the complexity and faults in the application. And another is reducing the application cost in the software field and also giving the machine learning extraction to the application. So now I am coming to the Splunk tools. Splunk tools are like Splunk Lite, Splunk Cloud, and Splunk Enterprise. So now I am jumping to what are which companies are using this Splunk monitoring tool. Cisco, Robert Bosch, Microland, Facebook, SAP Conquer, Google. So these are the above companies Splunk monitoring tool is used. So Splunk monitoring tool plays a vital role in order to give fine-tuned results and debugging the application health, wealth of all applications in the software field. So in order to monitor this, we have a one good dashboard, Splunk dashboard. In this dashboard, it contains health check, wealth check, application performance, server performance, and the reasons as India and off-board and on-board, which are the reasons this Splunk is using. So everything it is there in the dashboard. In this dashboard, it is highlighting with red, yellow, and blue. That means red means any reason is in a application outage, it will highlight with red, and blue means some deployment is going on, so they will give warning and they will give the security message like deployment is going on to this tool, this reason. So in order to make you understand in the layman terms, Splunk dashboard is like a online library, online encyclopedia. So if you want to search some like computer knowledge and computer fundamentals from the scratch, what do you do? You go to Google and you search like computer encyclopedia, then you will get the details of all computer benefits, computer generations and computer types, and from beginning big computer to now the mini laptop and the iPad. So you will get the all data. So like that, in the real time scenario, so IT field, now IT platform has introduced a Splunk monitoring tool. It will monitor all health applications performance and application performance, server performance. So now I am winding up the session here. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. So bye for now. So I will catch up with another trending technology. Thank you very much.